Welcome to SLIP. I would like to introduce you to SLIP Geodetic, which is the online portal for geodetic mark information. From the SLIP page under Maps, Geodetic, you will find the information page on the Geodetic portal. There are two how-to guide links on this page. The first one provides information on how to use the SLIP website. The second is a Getting Started how-to guide for SLIP Geodetic. This will give you step-by-step instructions on how to register for SLIP and how to register to access the Geodetic portal. Once you've registered, use this link to access the Geodetic portal. You will need to log on using your logon details, and after a few seconds, the Geodetic portal will load. This is your first view. It has some of the standard Esri features, zoom in, zoom out, which will also work using the scroll wheel on your mouse. Go to My Location, and the Home button will take you back out to the original extents. The standard search function uses Esri Geospatial Database to drive it to the desired location. On the right-hand side, we have some icons. Our legend, which uses our standard symbology for displaying benchmarks and SSMs with their accuracies. You have the ability to bookmark different map extents. As an example, I'm just going to bookmark Midland and then create another bookmark for Perth. Then, once you have these bookmarks stored, you can quickly jump between the two map extents. The available base maps are Esri products that are used as a background to overlay our data. As standard, we use the streets map. Under the layers list, we've also included the Landgate aerial mosaic imagery that can be turned on and off. This is left turned off by default as it allows faster viewing. If you know the exact name of a particular mark, you are able to search for this mark directly using the query function. At the bottom of the screen, you can see information about all the layers that are included in the Geodetic portal. You can filter this information by the map extents. If you look at the geodetic marks, we can also export this data to a CSV file, and the download starts automatically. If I open up that file, you can see the data. It has also included this URL address, which is quite useful because if you cut and paste that URL address into a web browser, this will take you to the Gola report for that mark. An additional feature, if you click on one of the marks, Zoom to will take you directly to this mark. You can also inquire on marks by clicking directly on the icon. A summary of the information on the mark is given in the pop-up box, and you're able to provide feedback directly to our systems about the condition of the mark. Because you have registered and logged on, your information is known. Select the date of your inspection. You can include other files, perhaps images, add a comment, and submit that data. The More Information button will take you to the Gola report. And again, from this Gola report, you can have access to that same feedback form. That concludes my overview introduction to SLIP. I hope you enjoy using the SLIP Geodetic portal.